All right, next part. Haven't updated in a while. Just got back to it. This part was cut a little bit further, as you can see. Looks like I don't know if it's manufactured defects or what. But it's separating. I've been trying to scrape that off there. Same all over there. The back was cut at a slightly smaller angle, and the foam. On my meter. Here we go. When you sand it down from the last update, no moisture. So we're good. Now that it's not even, I'm not going to worry about that. What I'm going to do is, if you look outside, there is an 1/8 inch sheet of ABS I had laying around. And so what I'm going to do is cut it, that small sheet to 73 by 31, then I'll trim it. That is going to slide underneath all this stuff. So you're going to have an underlayer, this. Oh, let me get that focused. And then on top, you're going to have the thick stuff right here. That's 3/8. So my hopes is to essentially create a sandwich. I should open the jars. Down here, we have 2 gallons of ABS glue. And all it is acetone and 3D printer filament. I don't know where the leftover stuff is. Yeah. So, I'm not quite sure yet if I am going to ABS glue the inside sheet to the foam. Somehow I need to adhere it to it. Thinking I might just do that. Which is why I created 2 gallons. Very heavy, very thick pour. Shove the panel down as much as I can. I'll put weight on it. Hopefully it adheres. Let that set, seal, whatever. Underside of here. I don't think I will quite glue it to this yet. Actually, yeah, maybe I will. Yeah, we'll see. But let that all set and then come back and prep with the 3/8 sheet. I know there's going to be a gap here, so I can either put another sheet in the middle to pick it up. I don't know. I didn't think that far ahead. Or do the same thing. A lot of glue. A lot of, yeah. Who knows? Haven't thought that far ahead. Just kind of winging it for now. But, yeah. There we go. So far looking good. Everything's coming along. I'm at the point where I need to cut the plastic. Hopefully we'll do that tomorrow. Need to clear out space for the table saw. I'll cut both the small 1/8 inch sheet, start doing the fit up, try to figure out how I'm going to cram it in here, which will be interesting. And then also cut the big one so I can get this big board out of my way. Yep, there we go. I have expanding polyurethane foam, thinking about it. No, I don't want to do that. Make a whole other layer. That would just be a mess. And then I would have to trim it down. No, not worth it. Okay, 1/8 inch sheet, sandwich, 3/8 sheet on top. Glue it, rivet it. There's going to be a buttload of rivets on here. But hopefully that works. If not, it'll work for the time being.